Alright, what's up guys? This is Taylor, and I'm doing the free video for Wednesday, August 7th. Two big levels here on the SPX, 5,300 and 5,000. My thinking is under 53, and especially with all the sell signals, daily 4-hour, 2-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute sell signal on the big three, under 5,300, I think you play for a move down towards 5,000. What is 53? 5,300 I think is an important level of resistance at this point on a few different time frames. Over here on the weekly, 53 lines up with your 21 EMA. And notice, back here in November, momentum on the histogram crosses back above zero. That kicks off your next leg to the upside. Momentum back above zero, price back above the 21. They eventually get the big three buy signal, and they crank out a nice push. It pulls back to a buy zone, another leg to the upside on this pullback here. A lot of that does change. We are under the mean for the first time since November. We've got momentum breaking back below zero and no more buy signal. 4-hour time frame, 5,300 lines up with your 4-hour 200. We are below the 4-hour 200 for the first time since, I believe, September of last year. September, November of last year. So pretty much for the first time since the party really got started, we do break that key level here off the 4-hour, and then on the 1-hour time frame, into today's session, 5,300 was your hourly 21. And as you can see, feels a little bit trappy. Poke it above the 53 and dump it right back below. If they can't get it back above that level, could be room for another 150, 200 bucks lower. Given the volatility, a $150 200 flush could unfold pretty quickly. Back to the daily chart, and again 5,000, the 200 SMA. Couple names I'd like for a short here. One that we did short here in the room today was Tesla. And for Tesla, we did a casual call credit spread. The 205-210 call spread for next Friday. The IV is a little bit high, so you go buy the at-the-money put for next week's expiration. If you catch a slow drift down towards 185-ish, it'll deliver a paycheck. Might not be the bang for your buck it would typically be. Doing the 205-210 spread, then we can benefit from any potential crush in the IV. So we got that working on Tesla, and then AMD and Nvidia got a handful of 4-hour squeezes here. 4-hour squeeze here for AMD has bear momentum, bear structure, sell signal, all makes for an A+ setup. Nvidia, not quite the A+ setup just yet. However, the break of that 200 SMA here on the 4-hour, I do think benefits the bears. That squeeze break short could be good for a move back down towards 90 to 87. If the bulls want to stop all of that from happening, get it and keep it back above that 53. If not, I do think we got room for lower. As always, y'all, thank you for watching. Hope you find it helpful, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.